Hi students, good morning. How are you all? I believe you are all safe and sound. And welcome to the world of English. And today we are going to learn some of the one-word substitutes. Okay, shall we begin it? The first word is fatalist. The meaning of fatalist is a person who believes in fate. Now let's know the meaning of fate. The meaning of fate is the power that is believed to control everything that happens and that cannot be changed. Whatever happens in life, okay, you feel you cannot change it. Okay, for example, Rajiv is a fatalist. Rajiv is a fatalist. The meaning of fatalist is one who believes in fate. Okay? Centenarian. The meaning of centenarian is a person who is above 100 years. The word centenarian is derived from the Latin word centum. The meaning of centum is a period of 100 years. For example, Japan has more than 4,000 centenarians. Now what does it mean? Which means Japan has more than 4,000 people who are above 100 years of old. Okay? The next word is omnipresent. Now what does it mean? The meaning of omnipresent is one who is present everywhere. The word omnipresent is derived from the Latin word omni. The meaning of omni is all. Okay, another word we have omnipotent. Now what does it mean, omnipotent? Omnipotent is someone who is all powerful. Let's see an example of the word omnipresent. God is omnipresent. Now what does it mean, omnipresent? One who is present everywhere. God is present everywhere. Okay, I believe you have understood. Right. The next word is mercenary. The meaning of mercenary is a person who can do anything for money, which means if you give money to the man or the woman who is a mercenary, he can do anything. He can do anything. For example, as long as you pay a mercenary, as long as you give amount or something for the person, he will do anything you ask, even for murdering or or killing. So as long as you pay a mercenary, he will do anything you ask. The second example is, according to the newspaper, the man hired a mercenary to kill his ex-wife. Now what does it mean? In the newspaper, according to the newspaper, the man gave amount or money to the mercenary in order to kill his ex-wife. Have you understood? So mercenary is a person, if you give money to this particular person, he will do anything for money. He is ready to do anything for money. The next word we have misogynist. The meaning of misogynist is a person who hates women. Now this word is derived from the Greek word gyn. Gyn is women. Now the prefix we have mis. The meaning of mis is hatred. So misogynist, one who hates women. Okay, now let's see some examples of this particular word. He was always called as misogynist. He was always called as a man who hates women. Okay, now the next word or the next sentence is, the man she set up with proves to be a misogynist. Okay, now let's move to the next one. The next word is monogamy. The meaning of monogamy is practice of having one wife or husband. Okay, I believe it's clear. Monogamy is universal, having one wife or one husband. Okay, fine. Next word is autobiography. Now, the meaning of autobiography is a life history written by one's own self. Okay, it's a life history written by one's own self. In her autobiography, She occasionally refers to her unhappy school days. She has just written her autobiography, writing about one's own self as a book. Okay, I believe it's clear. Students, I believe you have understood these words. Okay, now let's have a small test where I would be giving you only the meanings of the words and you will have to substitute the meaning with the particular word. Okay, shall we begin it? Fine. The first one is a person who believes in fate. A person who believes in fate. The second word is one who is present everywhere. One who is present everywhere. Guess it. The third one is a person who hates women. A person who hates women. The next one is practice of having one wife or husband. Practice of having one wife or husband. The next one is a person who can do anything for money. If you give money, the person is ready to do anything. Fine students, I believe you have understood today's session. See you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.